Hi, I'm Riva with Quality Sewing and Vacuum, and you may have quilt tops that are ready to get quilted. You may already have a long arm, so you already plan on quilting them. Well, we have some classes coming up in Tukwila, May 15th through the 18th that you may be interested in. Let's start with May 15th and 16th. This is a 2-day hands-on team sewing event where we're going to start from the basics of long arming, loading, how to, which way to put the fabric on, and getting everything ready. And then you're going to adventure through free motion, some ruler work, other things like that. So that's going to be a really fun class. So it's a good basic starter class. It's also great if you don't have a long arm and you just want to see if you even like it, right? Because you don't want to invest in something and then find out that you really don't care for it. I bet you'll love it though. And then on the 17th, May 17th, we have a Pro Stitcher class. This is designed for those of us that have the Pro Stitcher, which is the automation for our quilt frames. And this class is going to be amazing. So of course, we're going to start a little bit with some basics so everyone is on the same page, but then you're going to progress through the program. And Annette, our handy quilter expert, is going to take you just really through the whole software, and so you're going to be comfortable to use it. It is, again, an all-day class. Feel free to bring your tablet from your Pro Stitcher, or if you prefer to bring your computer, you can download the free version of Pro Stitcher that you can use on your computer right from the Pro Stitcher website. So make sure you do that before class so you're prepared. Then on the 18th, those of you who already have a frame and you're ready to do more, that's what the 18th is all about. This is going to do more background fill, so you're going to get more ideas and how to plan them, how to create them, and how to implement them. And then as an extra bonus, I'm really excited about this part. We're going to learn how to plan and execute a mandala. So this is going to be lots of fun. So again, it's team sewing when we're on the machine. And then if for the Pro Stitcher class, if you have your computer or your tablet, you get to work on that independently. And then it will be team sewing when we get to the machines. So make sure you sign up today because each class has very limited seating.